If you want to fix a man for a long time and make him reluctant to leave you, you must talk to him along the lines of human nature. Because no matter how good you are to this man, if you are against humanity, he will feel uncomfortable and he will want to escape more and more. But if you follow the sexual law I said today, you are equivalent to seizing a man's just needs and creating the most comfortable relationship atmosphere for him. This man will definitely rely on you more and more, and he is reluctant to leave you. How can you fall in love according to human nature? You can remember the following. Don't go against a man's desire to conquer, and don't let him feel that after you talk to him, you will always love him and never be inseparable from him. Once you feel this way, you are dead. What should be the correct attitude? It's just that although I love you very much now, it's not that I don't have no requirements or standards, and I put love first. If you treat me badly and you change a lot, I will also consider changing people. And I can do it. It is you who make men feel that you are a person like you, so that men have a certain sense of crisis and desire to conquer, and feel that, hey, it seems that you have not been completely controlled. I often emphasize to my members that a man enjoys the process of conquering you very much when he falls in love. If you are obedient, he will lose you and find it boring. No matter how beautiful you are, it's the same for him. Because things that are easily obtained can make people mistakenly think that they are of low value. This is human nature. If you don't believe it, and let him mistakenly think that the value is very low, you have to learn to take the initiative to retreat. Not to say that you don't love him, but to start to withdraw some enthusiasm and let the feelings have a hot and cold alternation. For example, if one of his water cups was broken and the electric toothbrush was broken, you might care about buying him a new one, but now that he has something broken, you respond indifferently. Oh, well, then you just change it. Just take back some enthusiasm and be less attentive and positive to him. If he finds out about you one day and asks curiously why you don't take the initiative to buy it for me as before, what do you do for me, etc. Pretending to be indifferent at this time, he may always be that I am more enthusiastic about you, I care more about you, but I don't feel this kind of treatment. I'm a little tired. If I say this to you, I can instantly ignite a man's desire to conquer. You will wake him up and directly reverse his cognition. No longer think you are easy to get. Your value is very low, and so on. Because you have already conveyed one thing, that is, if you are cold. But in fact, my love for you will also change. No matter how good I was to you before, I will also change. This kind of operation is called following a man's desire to conquer, and a man will ignite the motivation to treat you well and pay for you. Want deeper training or my consultation? Join my program. I can guide you. Many of my clients have transformed their relationships this way.